guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to discuss this verb right here, piacere. And we have already seen piacere, so this video will be about the piacere chart, okay? So this is what I did. First of all, I drew two vertical lines, right? The two vertical lines, and so that I have three columns, okay? At the top of the first column, I have written mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, gli. Alright, so mi, ti, gli, le, ci, vi, gli. These ones are the so-called indirect pronouns, okay? The ones we have already seen, okay? At the top of the second column, I did write a me, a te, a lui, a lei, a noi, a voi, and a loro. Let me repeat one more time. A me, a te, a lui, a lei, a noi, a voi, and a loro. Very important, guys. These ones are used to emphasize the subject. And so they are mostly used to respond. It's not to respond to a question, but it's to respond to a first neutral statement. So, in other words, somebody goes first and says, mi piace la pizza. And the other person responds, oh, a me piace anche, or a me non piace. Okay? So, a me piace anche, or a me non piace. Or non mi piace la pizza, in the first case, non mi piace la pizza, a me non piace neanche, for instance, right? We'll actually need to see that in writing somewhere, but for now, let's stick to the regular subjects. So, a me, a te, a lui, a lei, a noi, a voi, a loro, used to emphasize who's the subject, and they're used, by somebody who responds to a first neutral statement. And then the column we have a plus proper name, or a plus article plus common noun. So proper name would be a name of a person, whereas a plus article plus common noun is when I don't know or I do not say the name of the person who likes blah blah blah, but I do say or do indicate the person using a common noun, such as ragazza, donna, ragazzo, bambino, bambina, but also more general things like elefanti, italiani, etc. In that case, I will combine a plus the article. Let me go ahead and let's see, the table that we have, or the chart that we have completed. So, first sentence. The first sentence is mi piace il gelato. So, somebody who would respond to this sentence would be a me piace il gelato anche, or something like anche a me piace il gelato. Okay? So, one goes first and says mi piace il gelato, and the person responds anche a me piace il gelato. That sentence will become something like a Maria, so a plus proper name, a Maria piace il gelato. But if I don't know Maria, but it is clear the object of reference of my speech, I would say something like alla donna piace il gelato. Guys, let's assume 1 second that this one was non, right? So non mi piace il gelato would become something like neanche a me piace, or something like a me non piace, okay? So here, what I want to say is that the position of non is very important. Non here goes first, and non here goes second. In other words, non must be put before me, ti, and any other pronoun that is written at the top of the first column. But the non will be put after a me, a te, a lui, a lei, a noi, a voi, a loro, okay? So this one goes before and this one goes after a me, a te, etc. Okay? Now, sentence number 2. Gli piacciono gli elefanti. So here, this sentence is also very important because I have a first gli, okay, that is he likes, and a second gli, which is the elephant, okay. So two glis, but they do have a different value. Gli piacciono gli elefanti becomes a lui piacciono gli elefanti, which also becomes a Giacomo piacciono gli elefanti. If I don't know Giacomo's name, then I would say all'uomo piacciono gli elefanti, okay? Again, if I have to use non, okay? Guys, this will become non. Non gli piacciono gli elefanti. A lui non piacciono gli elefanti. A Giacomo non, again, a Giacomo non piacciono gli elefanti. All'uomo non piacciono gli elefanti. Okay? So hopefully this is clear. And then sentence number 3, we're gonna have ci piace guardare gli ippopotami rotolarsi nel fango. We like watching, or we like to watch hippos rolling in the mud. Ci piace guardare gli ippopotami rotolarsi, reflexive, because they would roll themselves, their own body, nel fango, in the mud, nel fango. This sentence becomes a noi piace guardare gli ippopotami rotolarsi nel fango, which again could become a me e a te, or me e te, or could become like a Maria e Giuseppe, okay? Could become ai due ragazzi, okay? Whatever you want to say. Piace guardare gli ippopotami rotolarsi nel fango. One last observation. We have piace, as you know, for singular object. We have piace for verbs. We have piacciono for plural objects. I think, guys, all of this should be pretty clear. I do not see a reason why you should doubt any of this, in other words, you know. I don't really see any reason for you not to understand this. So the key again is to practice. So we have done thus far videos, you know, with the different examples for piacere, and we'll move on from now on. So the next upcoming video will be about verbs that are similar to piacere, and we'll make a bunch of examples so that you guys can write it down, record, listen and repeat according to our usual technique, and possibly memorize and keep using these verbs in Italian. Guys, I hope very much that this was clear, and now we move on to our next upcoming video. Don't forget to write and then record, listen and repeat. Bye!